Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Pisces, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards, Pisces. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career circumstance, Pisces. If you like this reading, if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, Pisces. And today we'll be picking one card for your moon energy. I will leave it here. And one card for your love guidance. We will leave this card here, guys. And one card, one fortune cookie card. So that will give us a lucky insight into our situation. So let's start with the cards for your general energies first. So we have Lovers, Ten of Wands in reverse, and King of Cups in reverse. So Pisces, in your circumstances today, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you may see some kind of confusion or doubts. Maybe in your work you don't know what to decide or what to plan. So there is some kind of uncertainty, lack of inspiration maybe, or you may feel stuck, unable to decide on something. So there is a lack of clarity in general, guys. So maybe even in your relationship, you do not know what to do or what will be the right thing for you, the way things are going. And you love this person, you trust them, you both may have a beautiful understanding. But you are trying to find that balance in this relationship, trying to work on your compatibility, maybe understanding this person's dreams and goals, and understanding your dreams and goals, and finding a very harmonious way to work together towards both your dreams. And you may feel that this person is not telling you something. Maybe they are, what to say, not revealing something. You are a very honest person, Pisces. You tell this person everything. But when they are not telling you their goals or what are their plans for the future, or maybe even in this relationship, they may have something about you to tell you, but they are not interested to reveal that, what is that deep down in their heart of hearts. So that may be the reason for some things you are worrying today, guys, because you want to build a beautiful, positive relationship with this person. But when it is not built on truth and honesty, it may be really difficult to hold on to this relationship, guys. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. We picked one card. So it is Three of Swords. The reason they are not telling you something, guys, maybe because there is someone else and they do not want to uh, hurt you by breaking this news to you, and they are finding the right time, maybe, guys, to tell you what they truly feel or what they are doing today or what they are intending to do. They still have some concern over you, how you will take this news. So, Pisces, with these cards, I see that this person may be interested in someone else, and they are not yet, they do not have that courage yet to tell you that, guys, maybe. So let's see what is the card for your career circumstance, Pisces. So we picked one card, Emperor. So in your work situation, things are going in a positive way, guys. You are in a good place, feeling really secure, happy. Things are going as planned. So everything is in good place in your work situation, Pisces. So for your moon energies, Pisces, let's see what is the card. We picked one card. We will see what it is. What do you need to release, waning moon? So with this card, maybe there are certain changes happening in your life and something is falling away. Something is changing and you are unable to do anything, maybe, guys, Pisces, unable to hold on to something or stop these changes. But if you want to move forward in your life, you must have least bit of resistance towards these changes. And maybe you need to stop trying too hard to achieve certain things. Maybe in your relationship, this may be true, guys. Maybe you are simply trying to hold on to this person and they are not interested in you, guys, Pisces. Though it may look like something really painful, something really painful to give up on this love, you need to understand that love should be, what to say, it should be mutual, guys. Only then it is going to work. So you are just helping yourself when you are releasing this person emotionally from you. And you will see better changes coming. There are good changes coming in your life. And you need to say, be easy on yourself. Be kind to yourself. Forgive this other person and let go. That is what is going to help you. Maybe if you are interested in meditation or some kind of a ritual that is going to give you calmness, you can try that, guys. That will quieten your mind, help you a lot in your circumstances today, Pisces. So for your love guidance, we picked one card. We will see what is the card, guys. It is expression. So this card just means that we are here born on this earth, guys, to express ourselves through words, through our actions. So what we reveal is an aspect of our being. So when we are true to our nature, we will be really happy and we will see what is our life's purpose. We will move towards that. But you should never change your expression to please someone else. That is just going to be a lie. You are going to lie to yourself, guys. So you must present your point of view clearly and lovingly so others understand. And as you move on with your life, you are going to make a mark for yourself when you express truthfully, honestly, from deep down, from your depth of your heart of hearts, Pisces. So that is the energy with this card. So time for your fortune cookie for today, guys. Let's see what it is. Planning. So now is the time to lay down the foundations for your future. Financial gains are more than likely. So things are going to take a positive turn in your work situation, guys. Even in your relationship, you can be hopeful, dream about your future, and that is going to work out, guys, because having positive intentions is inviting blessings towards us. So, whatever we want, we must think about it, dream about it, Pisces. So, that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching, guys. If you like this reading, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.